Hi, my name is Christabelle, CBS DIY specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to safely use an angle grinder. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a Porter Cable 4.5-inch angle grinder. While the information in this video will be a general overview, be sure to read the specific instructions for your tool. Always wear hearing protection, goggles, and a dust mask when using a grinder. Wear long sleeves and gloves to protect your skin from sparks. Angle grinders are very versatile. Simply put, it's a tool that makes a disc spin. Depending on the attachment, it can be used for cutting, grinding, sanding, or wire wheeling. A cutoff wheel can slice through bolts, metal fences, and pipes. A wire wheel or brush attachment allows you to remove rust, scale, or paint. A diamond wheel can be used to notch out a custom tile piece or grind out tuck pointing on brick walls. Be sure to mount this particular wheel with the arrow indicator on the wheel in the direction of rotation. It will not cut if fitted incorrectly. When purchasing a wheel, ensure the RPM rating on the wheel matches or exceeds the RPM rating of your tool. Now let's talk about how to safely use this tool. First off, when changing your wheel, make sure the tool is unplugged and the switch is in the off position. To change the wheel, press the button that locks the wheel and use the wrench to loosen the clamp nut. When switching from a flat disc to one with a depressed center, the tool may require a different clamp nut, or in this case, just flip it over to the correct side. You can rotate the guide depending on how you want to use the tool, but ensure a portion of it stays between you and the blade. The switch usually has a locked position on it, so you don't need to hold the switch while using the tool. When using the grinder, hold it firmly and use your free hand on the side handle to steady it. Allow it to reach full speed before you touch it to the work surface, or else the wheel could bind up or skip off. Let the speed of the wheel do the work. You shouldn't be pressing too hard on the work surface. It's important to angle the grinder correctly to reduce the risk of injury. If the wheels bend, twist, or go too deep into a cut, they can bind up and break off at high speeds. When surface grinding, hold the tool to about a 20 to 30 degree angle and keep it moving back and forth to prevent gouges. Edge grinding or cutting should be done straight on without bending the wheel. When using a sanding or wire brush attachment, hold the grinder at a 5 to 10 degree angle and keep it moving. Always allow the tool to come to a complete stop before setting it down. Angle grinders are great tools for experienced DIYers. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to help you determine if this is the right tool for you. Visit us at CBS Bahamas and we'll help you build beautiful.